city of Christchurch. The earthquake that struck the Canterbury region at 10 to 1 yesterday has wreaked death and destruction on a dreadful scale. There is no reason that can make sense of this event, no words that can spare our pain. We are witnessing the havoc caused by a violent and ruthless act of nature. Many people have lost their lives, families have lost their cherished loved ones, mates have lost their mates. These deaths are the greatest loss. They remind us that in the end, buildings are just buildings, roads are just roads, but people are irreplaceable. Today, all New Zealanders grieve for you, Christchurch. To all those who woke up in Christchurch today, feeling lucky to be alive, we know that you too are shocked, unnerved and grieving. We know that your loss is sharpened by fear. Our minds go to the mothers and fathers comforting children struck by anxiety and disbelief. They go to the elderly, infirm and isolated, who experience this event alone and who remain blunted by shock. And they go to each and every contemporary who has stoically endured 6 months of aftershocks, only to be hit by the biggest shock of all. On behalf of New Zealand, let me say this to all of you. We feel your pain, as only a small nation can, for none of us feel removed from this event. I'm proud to be a son of Christchurch. I was raised there. I got my first job there. My sister lives there. My mother died there. I know what a wonderful place it is. Though your buildings are broken, your streets are washed and your hearts are aching, your spirit will overcome. While nature has taken much from you, it cannot take your survivor's spirit. This devastating event marks the beginning of a long journey for your city. It will be a journey that leads us from ruins and despair to hope and new opportunities. From great hardship will come great strength. It will be a difficult journey, but progress is certain. Things will get better. Christchurch will rise again. In the weeks ahead, our journey will take us to new obstacles and new challenges. We have a city to rebuild. We have people's livelihoods to restore. We have a community's confidence to inspire. We will rise to these challenges. We will rebuild the city resolutely and with the conviction that this is what it is to be a contemporary, what it is to be a New Zealander.
Tēnā koutou katoa. Today, I represent the Queen. I convey to you Her Majesty's message of deep sympathy and condolence. My grandmother once said that grief is the price we pay for love. Here today, we love and we grieve. We honour the lives and memories of all those who did not survive the earthquake. New Zealanders and those from many countries around the world who came to this city as visitors or to make it their home. Our thoughts and our prayers are with their families, wherever they may be. I also bring a personal message. It arises from seeing this tragedy unfold from afar. It is a message about strength through kindness, about fortitude. For you who are so close to these events and who have lost so much, it must be hard to grasp the degree of admiration, indeed awe, with which you are regarded by the rest of the world. Courage and understated determination have always been the hallmark of New Zealanders, of Cantabrians. These things the world has long known. But to see them so starkly demonstrated over these terrible, painful months has been humbling. With the Queen's heartfelt good wishes and those of the Prince of Wales and other members of my family, I say it to you now. Kia kaha, be strong.